Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to answer one of the Java interview questions. That is, what will happen when you assign duplicate elements to hash set in Java? Let me answer. When you assign duplicate elements to hash set will simply ignore the duplicate elements. It will not give you any compiler error. You will not get any error or compiler error. Instead, the duplicate elements will be ignored and only one out of the duplicate elements will be considered. Okay, let me practically demonstrate this and prove you that HashSet will ignore the duplicate elements by considering only one out of the duplicate elements for storing into the HashSet, and it will not give you any compiler error. So for that, I'll switch to this Eclipse IDE and create a new class. I'll just name this class with some random name. That is class 13. With main method, I'll create. So inside the main method, I'm going to create HashSet. HashSet HSet is equal to new HashSet. Okay. I'm going to import this HashSet from java.util package. And here I need to store the type of objects I can store into this, specify the type of the objects I can store into the HashSet. For example, integer object only. So now into this HashSet, I would like to add the elements, for example, 9. I would like to add duplicate objects, integer objects. 9 is already added here, but I'm again adding as a duplicate element. Asset dot add of 5. Asset dot add of okay, again 9. Asset dot add of again 9. Asset dot add of 0. Asset dot add of 6. Okay, like that I added some elements, guys, to the asset where this 9 is duplicated like anything. 4 times we added 9 to the same HashSet. So are you getting any compiler error? No. What HashSet will do is HashSet will ignore the duplicate elements. If already 9 is there, it will ignore the next coming duplicate elements. But 5 is not duplicated, so it will consider it. 0 is not duplicated, it will consider it. 6 is not duplicated, it will consider it. Out of all these elements, how many elements or objects you added? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? Total 7 elements or objects you added. In that, how many duplicates that are ignored? 1, 2, 3. 3 are ignored. 7 minus 3. That is 4. 4 elements will be considered. Okay. If you print this HashSet, only one time 9 will be considered into the HashSet, and remaining 3 times 9 will not be considered. It will be ignored. Neither error is coming nor it will be considering it. Okay. All the unique values like 506 will be considered anyhow. Okay. So run this. 9506 kind of thing will come. You see, 9506 are considered, where 9, which is duplicately added here, will not be considered, guys. It will be ignored. Neither compiler error will come. So what will happen when you assign duplicate elements to HashSet? HashSet will ignore the duplicate elements by considering only one out of the duplicate elements. And coming to the errors, there will not be any compiler error will be displayed in the programs. You will not get anything. But when you run the code, you will see that HashSet ignoring the duplicate elements. Okay. So with practical demonstration, I've answered this question for you. So that's all for this session. Thank you. Bye-bye.